Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we saw how is the course divided into 5 sections. So I hope you have idea about what are the things that we are going to learn in this course. Now before starting the course, first let's understand what exactly is a data structure and what is an algorithm and how they are different. And then we'll slowly start picking up the data structures and algorithms. Now let's say we have a basket of vegetables and fruits, and as we can see here they are not organized. So let's say if we want to pick up few apples and few oranges from this basket. So you clearly see that we have some problem here. And what is the problem? The problem is, since the items are not in an organized way, so picking up apple and oranges will be little difficult. But how about this basket? So here we have all our fruits and vegetables in an organized way. So now if we want to pick up our vegetables, let's say apple or a tomato, it will be way easier compared to the first basket. So what we have done in the second case? We have simply taken all the items from first basket and we have put it in a more organized way in the second basket. Now when it comes to data structures, here also we do exactly same thing. That is, we are given some data and we have to do some processing on it. Now before doing the processing on the data, what we do is we organize the data in a certain pattern such that when we are processing the data, it becomes easier for us. Now what are the common data structures that can be used to organize data? It can be array, linked list, stack, queue, etc. Fine. So I hope you have understood what is a data structure. Now let's see what exactly is an algorithm. So an algorithm is a set of rules to be followed to solve a problem. Now let's try to understand it using an example. So let's say we want to prepare some homemade salads for dinner. So what is the process? So remember that we had a basket in the previous example where the fruits and vegetables are not in an organized way. So what we did? We had used data structure to make sure that the basket is having the organized vegetables and fruits. So till now we have used only data structure. Now the next step comes in is we have to clean those fruits and vegetables, then we have to cut all of them, then we have to do the dressing part, and finally we are ready for our dinner. So whatever we have done over here, here and here are basically the steps or set of rules to solve the problem. And the problem was that we have to prepare a homemade salads. So I hope now you are getting a clear distinction between data structure and algorithm. So what we have done over here was data structure. That is, we organize the data. What we have done here, here and here is we have used that organized data to solve a problem. And the problem in this case was making a salad. Fine. So I hope you have now understood what is data structure, what is algorithm, and what is the difference between them. So as of now we are keeping all the content very non-technical. So slowly as we progress with the course, we will make it more technical slowly. So this will ensure that we don't jump on a running train. Fine. So that's all in this video. In the next video, let's see why are companies interested in data structure algorithm and which type of company asks this kind of a questions. So let's see that in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.